Hey guys, update on COREWEAVE. Yeah, really bad 2 days here. We were expecting potentially a push down. I thought maybe locally we can do one more push up, but didn't happen. And yeah, Oracle now looking like it's gonna take the low. With that, potentially COREWEAVE will follow. Okay, so we talked about the green box here for a while. We might be heading towards that. I just have this gap still here from this push that we had here. Okay, now testing that one, and then below that we have the 786 taken from this low to this high. But again, it's a very fragile structure. Okay, this one is ever since the lows, so the risk is still high that we're gonna take the lows. We'll try to look at what price does here, and then I'll update you in the weekend. For now, if we lose this, increased probabilities to take this low, and then to test this zone here, potentially all the way to this gap or even the 786. Okay, and then we have the 1-to-1 here taken from this WXY to the X wave to calculate the target for wave set. So we could even drop further. Okay, I'm not thinking we're gonna go that deep because I think Nvidia, Meta, Google, they're all like approaching stronger levels, and similar to the Nasdaq, we should hold this though. If this doesn't hold and if this doesn't show strength, we're gonna move down more, and then it might still take a little bit more time. S&P for now also has now found its way to this point of control, and below that we have this 0.236 FIB at 6,441. Bullish divergence on the 4-hourly. We're moving down on lower volume still, but the weekly close is going to be very important. For now, it's red, and it's, look at these wicks. This is not so nice, okay? And that the volume is increasing now, it's also not so nice. Will indicate a little bit that we're gaining momentum while moving downwards. Not so good. I'm very curious how the day will end. Maybe this can fix itself and move up again and try to close the weekly green. Okay. Oracle, now again we have to 886 it, so I'm labeling this an A, B, C, and we'll probably take the lows. What is the target then? Maybe I can add the point of control of this range here as a structural level at 130.22. Together with that, maybe flips like this, and then this fifth wave was never finished here probably. So 130, 127.5, and then below that we have 116.22. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.